there is a verb that is important here. There is a verb, not that is important, but there is a verb, adwaro. Adwaro simply means I want. It can mean I want or I want to. I want or I want to. So let's conjugate it. And this is the verb. I want. It starts with ah. You remember? And adwaro. I. And then in idwaro. And odwaro. One wadwaro. Un udwaro. Gin gidwaro. Now for this one, you can use this verb also as an auxiliary verb, which simply means that you can use it before another verb. For example, if you want to say, I want to do what? I want to cook. Eh? Or what do you want to say?
Cook.
Yeah, I want to cook. Well, how would you say that? I want to cook. So you need to use this one to indicate that you want, and then now you use to cook. Adwaro tedo. Yes, very good. Adwaro tedo. What you see here is that once you have said adwaro, now tedo you don't conjugate, you don't add atedo here, okay? Or you don't add itedo, utedo, nothing. You just use it the way it is. So you simply say adwaro tedo, the way tedo is. So it is the way it is. Now, remember the way we shortened agoyo? We removed yo and just said ago, right? Even this one can also be shortened, especially when you are speaking. So you can simply say without ro. So you'll hear someone say adwa tedo. Adwa tedo. And especially when it's used as an auxiliary verb, you just say adwa. Adwa tedo, adwa timango, adwa whatever. So the question I can ask you, for example, is this one, idwaro. I can ask you, idwaro timo. You remember we learned about timo? Timo means to do. Okay? So, idwaro timo ango. Ango means what? So what does this mean? Idwaro timo ango.
I want to do.
No. Idwaro is not I. Idwaro is
you.
Yeah. So what is the question saying?
You want to do what?
Hey, what do you want to do? Idwaro timo ango. What do you want to do? You want to do what? So you can say idwaro, or you can also shorten it and simply say without the ro. You can simply say idwa timo ango. And if your answer is you want to, we have learned the word, the verb for washing. How do you say washing, to wash? It starts with L. Luoko. Okay? Yeah, so if you want to wash, how would you answer this question? Idwatimango. You need to use this as well as you respond. I want to wash. Idwatimango.
Adwaro luoko.
Adwaro luoko. Or you can just say adwa luoko. But we have also learned leuni, right? Leuni meaning clothes. So you can say adwa luoko. Adwa luoko leuni. I want to wash clothes. So even these other ones, if you decide to shorten, you can do without raw. You simply say wadwa luoko, udwa luoko, gidwa luoko, gidwa ringo, gidwa chiemo, wadwa nyiewo lewni. We want to buy what? Clothes. Yeah. Do you have a question on that one? So this Dwaro simply, it can be used anytime you want to speak about something that you are intended to do. You are intending to do. Okay, something that you are almost doing or you are planning to do. So you simply use Dwaro. But you can also say what you need. Dwaro G ang'wen. I want 4 people. G means people. G. Adwa ji ang'wen. I want 4 people. Adwa ji ang'wen. Ama you can go to a shop and say adwa mkate. Adwa mkate. So if you go to the shopkeeper can ask you idwaro ang'o. Ang'o is what? So you can be asked idwaro ang'o. You say adwaro sukari. Okay? So you can use it to mean what you want or you need, or you can also use it to say what you intend to do. Is that okay? Or what do you want to do? Idwa semango, adwa chiemo. I want to eat.